Hi everyone, this is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're talking about the beard soap and I'm going to introduce you to all the ingredients that are in it. So what makes a beard soap different from just a simple soap? In my opinion, it's the ingredients. And with this beard soap, I've chosen these ingredients to focus on your beard and the health of your beard. So there's 5 ingredients in front of me here. A 6th ingredient is the sodium hydroxide or the lye, and that's what has to go in cold process soap, which is what this is. I'll introduce the other ingredients now. We have a small bit of water that mixes with the sodium hydroxide to create the solution that goes into the soap. Then we have our 4 main ingredients here. Number 1 is coconut oil. Coconut oil is fantastic for your beard. It gets it nice and soft and is packed full of vitamins. So here is the coconut oil. This guy, the shea butter, it gives it a nice, smoothness, and combined with coconut oil, the shea butter and coconut oil together gives you that nice lather when you are in the shower with your soap. We have argan oil. Argan oil is a base of all the products that I have. For example, the beard balm and the beard oil. So it's something that I really like to use. Super conditioning for the skin. And at the end here we have some extra virgin olive oil. Now some soaps have oils or a little bit cheaper oils, but I really went for the kind of expensive one here because I want this soap to kind of stand out from the crowd and really focus on nourishment, conditioning and softness for your beard in particular. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, it's going to be fantastic for that as well, but we're focusing completely on our beards. You can see by the dark colour, it's excellent quality, just like all the ingredients I want to put in this beard soap. So this beard soap is going to be out in July. That is the release date. I'm going to be doing a video on how I use the beard soap, but at the moment I'm using it in the shower in the evening time. After come out of the shower, then you're going to apply the other beard products. But this, like I said, this beard soap is totally focused on your beard. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I personally have been using shampoos and conditioners, and when you are using shampoo and conditioner, it almost like you feel that it's stripping the oils from your beard and you end up with a kind of a squeaky clean beard, which is something that I don't like. With this beard soap, you use it and you can feel that it is soft and it is nourished, and it's all down to the ingredients. Again, focused on your beard. So very excited to get it out there. Like I said, the release date is July. I'll be posting more about it on social media over the coming months, but this video was just to introduce you to the good quality ingredients that are in the soap, and like I said, it's completely focused on beards, which I don't think a lot of soaps out there are. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.